Picture this. It's pouring rain. You're trying to watch TV, volume maxed out, and you still can't hear a single word. Your partner is 5 feet away shouting at you, and you're reading their lips like you're in a silent movie. Welcome to living in a Quonset Barndominium. I'm about to tell you the brutally honest truth about what it's really like to live in one of these curved metal homes. The stuff nobody mentions in those beautiful Instagram posts. Some of it's amazing, some of it will make you think twice, and all of it is stuff you absolutely need to know before you build. If you're considering a Quonset Barndominium, or just love unique alternative housing, smash that subscribe button right now and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our real-world housing content. Drop a comment and tell me, would you live in a giant metal tube? Let's dive into the reality. The rain situation. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Let me be bluntly honest. When it rains hard on a Quonset Barndominium, it is loud. Not charming, tin roof pitter-patter loud. We're talking can't hear yourself think loud. One homeowner in Wisconsin who's lived in her Quonset for 5 years said that even with thick spray foam insulation during hard rainstorms, she and her husband can barely hear each other talking, just 5 feet apart. The TV goes to maximum volume, and they still use closed captioning. Think that sounds bad? Wait until winter. When ice builds up on that curved metal roof, and the conditions are just right for it to melt, massive sheets of snow and ice slide down the corrugated steel. One homeowner described it as sounding like living inside a glacier that's calving. Another said it's like being inside an avalanche. There's no warning. It just happens. You'll jump every single time. Now, before you close this video, here's the thing. That same Wisconsin homeowner, after 5 years, says she'd choose a Quonset again. You get used to it. Some people even grow to love the rain sounds. But you need to know this going in because it's probably the biggest adjustment you'll face. The curved wall reality. Living with curved walls is genuinely weird at first. You can't just push your couch against the wall. You can't mount your kitchen cabinets flush to the sides. The lower portions of those curved walls have seriously limited usability. Everything has to be positioned carefully. Furniture placement becomes a puzzle. Your bed, your dresser, your bookshelves, they all need to account for that curve. Most people end up creating flat interior walls for bedrooms and bathrooms, which means you're building walls from the floor up inside your shell. This adds cost and labor, but it's necessary if you want functional rooms. Hanging stuff on the walls requires special mounting systems. You can't just drive a nail into that corrugated metal and expect your family photos to stay up. You need proper anchoring solutions designed for metal surfaces. Windows are another challenge. Installing rectangular windows in curved walls requires custom framing and specialized work. You'll need flat sections built out, which adds complexity and expense. Most Quonset homes end up with windows concentrated on the flat end walls rather than the curved sides, which can limit natural light. The condensation problem nobody warns you about. Here's something that catches people completely off guard. Metal buildings sweat. When cold steel meets warm, humid air, you get condensation. Without proper insulation and ventilation, moisture forms on the interior metal surfaces. Left unchecked, this leads to dripping water, mold, mildew, rust, and serious structural issues. One builder reported that when improper insulation was used, chunks of reflective insulation literally fell from the ceiling as the metal expanded and contracted. Condensation and drips formed everywhere. Another owner described having an indoor pool every time it rained because water leaked where the shell met the foundation, despite multiple attempts at sealing with caulk, concrete, and waterproof coatings. The solution is expensive but essential: closed-cell spray foam insulation. This creates a vapor barrier and prevents condensation by keeping interior and exterior temperatures consistent. You're looking at $1.50 to $5 per square foot just for insulation. That's not optional. That's mandatory if you want to live comfortably and avoid moisture disasters. Budget builds trying to skip proper insulation end up with nightmare scenarios. You also need proper ventilation systems. The semi-cylindrical shape doesn't naturally promote good air circulation like traditional homes. You'll need strategic placement of exhaust fans, ceiling fans, and potentially a dehumidifier, especially in humid climates. The temperature challenge. Metal is an incredibly efficient conductor of heat and cold, which is exactly what you don't want in a home. In summer, that steel skin absorbs intense heat and transfers it directly inside. In winter, it rapidly conducts cold inward. Without insulation, you're essentially living in an oven or freezer depending on the season. One Quonset owner with a workshop setup said heating in winter is nearly impossible without massive energy costs. Climb a ladder and it's 90 degrees near the ceiling. Stand on the floor and you're freezing. That's the reality of heating a large, open metal space with high ceilings. Proper closed-cell spray foam insulation solves this, but again, it's expensive. Once properly insulated, Quonset homes can actually be incredibly energy efficient with tight thermal envelopes. But cutting corners on insulation makes them miserable to live in. The aesthetics debate. Let's talk looks. Quonset Barndominiums are polarizing. You either love that industrial curved aesthetic or you absolutely hate it. There's no middle ground. From the outside, they look like airplane hangars or military storage buildings. That's literally what they were designed for back in World War II. If you're building in a traditional suburban neighborhood, good luck. HOAs will reject them instantly. Even without HOAs, some municipalities have building codes or architectural guidelines that prohibit metal residential structures. Always check zoning before buying land or making plans. Resale value is a legitimate concern in mainstream markets. These homes appeal to a specific niche of buyers who appreciate alternative housing. In rural areas where agricultural buildings are common, they do fine. In suburbs or areas with traditional aesthetics, you might struggle to find buyers. That said, with thoughtful design, custom end walls, quality windows, overhangs, porches, and landscaping, you can make these structures absolutely stunning. The mid-century modern aesthetic works beautifully with the curved lines. Strategic exterior cladding, paint, and architectural details transform them from industrial sheds into unique showpieces. The brilliant pros, why people love them. Now let's talk about why, despite all these challenges, people absolutely love living in Quonset Barndominiums. The construction speed is mind-blowing. One family in Wisconsin raised all 20 steel arches in about 10 hours with just family and friends using cordless drills and ropes. The main structure goes up in a day or weekend. Compare that to months or years for traditional home construction. The cost savings are substantial. You're looking at $7 to $35 per square foot just for the shell structure. Even with full finishing, many people build complete Quonset homes for $35,000 to $150,000 total, depending on size and finishes. That's a fraction of traditional construction costs. The durability is exceptional. These structures withstand extreme weather that would destroy traditional homes. Heavy snow slides right off the curved roof. Wind resistance up to 140 miles per hour. Fire-resistant steel construction. Termite-proof. Rot-proof. Mold-resistant. Earthquake-resilient. These buildings last 50 to 100 plus years with minimal maintenance. The open interior is incredible. Zero load-bearing walls. No support columns. No trusses. You have completely unobstructed space to design however you want. Want one massive great room? Done. Need to reconfigure later? Easy. That flexibility is phenomenal. Low maintenance is a game changer. You'll never paint exterior walls. Never replace rotted siding. Never treat for termites. The galvanized steel exterior is virtually maintenance-free for decades. The DIY-friendly nature empowers people. These kits are designed for assembly by regular people, not professional contractors. All panels come pre-drilled. Instructions are clear. If you're handy and have helpers, you can build your own home shell without specialized equipment. Energy efficiency potential is excellent once properly insulated. That tight thermal envelope and seamless steel exterior minimize air infiltration. Heating and cooling costs can be lower than traditional homes. The unique living experience. People who love their Quonset homes talk about the unique character. Living inside that ribcage-like curved structure feels different. It's industrial, raw, and honest. One homeowner described it as living inside a whale. The stark contrast between massive steel arches and natural surroundings creates visual interest. The open floor plans create incredible sight lines. Upstairs lofts overlooking downstairs living areas. Natural light flooding through strategically placed windows on end walls. Everything feels spacious, even in smaller square footage. The reality check. Is it right for you? Here's my honest assessment. Quonset Barndominiums are not for everyone. They're not for people who need absolute silence. They're not for people who want traditional aesthetics. They're not for people unwilling to deal with unique challenges. They are perfect for people who value function over convention, want to build affordably and quickly, appreciate industrial modern design, don't mind the quirks of alternative housing, and are willing to invest in proper insulation and systems. If you're considering one, visit existing Quonset homes if possible. Talk to people who actually live in them. Spend time in one during a rainstorm. Understand what you're signing up for. Don't skip on insulation trying to save money. Budget for spray foam. Plan for proper ventilation. Work with builders experienced in metal structures. These homes can be absolutely amazing, but they require realistic expectations and proper execution. Done right, you get an incredibly durable, low-maintenance, cost-effective home with massive open living spaces and character for days. Done wrong, you get a loud, sweaty metal shed that's miserable to live in. Living in a Quonset Barndominium is genuinely a unique experience. Yes, rain is loud. Yes, walls are curved. Yes, you need serious insulation. But you also get unmatched durability, lightning-fast construction, substantial cost savings, and a home unlike anything else. After hearing from multiple homeowners who've lived in these for years, the consistent theme is this: know what you're getting into, do it right, and you'll love it. Cut corners or go in blind, and you'll regret it. So tell me in the comments, after hearing the unfiltered truth, would you still consider a Quonset Barndominium? What's your biggest concern? And if you've lived in one, share your experience to help others decide. If this honest breakdown helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world alternative housing content, and share this with anyone considering a Quonset build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.